Hey everybody, it's T and Ed. Just want to give you a heads up of what we're going to be doing today. We're going to cook our Thanksgiving dinner on the hearth of our fireplace. You can see in the video here there are a few pieces that we're going to try to use today. One is the meat hook at the top and the small hanging spit. Those are from Townsends and they're new to our collection, so we're excited about trying those today. We've also modified our outdoor spit so we can put it in front of the fireplace and not have to drill holes for it. The pieces along the bottom are actually all Lodge and Griswold pieces, and we take those camping with us. So people who have seen our camping pictures all know that I have a large collection of cast iron, and today's a new way for us to get to try and use them. Stay tuned for the pictures and videos. We're going to have a lot of fun today.
All right, meat's on. T's got rabbit cooking. She's got white meat cooking for me up there up top. Some taters over there somewhere, and mushrooms. It's going to be a good evening. So T has been cooking my meat for about 3 hours now. She's getting ready to pull the rabbit off. She's going to make a stew out of that. And the hens will be coming off, how much longer, baby?
About a half hour, 45 minutes.
Okay, about half hour, 45 minutes. And she just hung some yummy beef up there in the right-hand corner. She's been dying to try out that little hooky thingy. So, yeah, we're putting that to work today.
All right, so we finally finished dinner tonight. We've got rabbit stew, roasted potatoes, braised beef, guinea hens, roasted apples, collard greens, and homemade cranberry sauce. Looks pretty yummy.